Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using free UDP request servers for your VPN, you've probably noticed that they can sometimes be slow or unstable. The good news is that today I'll show you how to create your own premium UDP request server and use it with SOCKS IP Tunnel VPN for a faster and more reliable connection. This tutorial is designed to be simple and beginner-friendly, so just follow each step carefully. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Let's get started. The first step is to open any web browser on your device. Once the browser opens, tap on the search bar and type UDP Custom. Press the search button and wait for the results to load. Within a few seconds, you'll see the official UDP Custom website in the search results. Open the website and you'll arrive at the home page. If you're using a mobile phone, tap the hamburger menu in the top corner to expand the navigation menu. From the available options, look for the Premium UDP section and tap on it to continue. On the next page, you'll be asked to select the location where you want your UDP server to be created. Choose the location that is closest to you, or the one that best suits your needs. After selecting the location, tap the Select Location button to confirm. You will now see the account creation form. Enter your preferred username and password carefully. Double-check the information before continuing. Then tap the Create button to generate your premium UDP server. Please wait a few seconds while the server is being created. Once the process is complete, the website will display your server details, including the information you'll need later. Copy or save these server details because they will be required in the VPN application. Now let's configure SOCKS IP Tunnel VPN. Open the Google Play Store and search for SOCKS IP Tunnel VPN. Download and install the application if it isn't already installed on your device. Once the installation is complete, launch the app. After opening the application, you'll be on the main screen. Tap the gear icon located on the left side to open the settings menu. Inside the settings, locate the Tunnel Mode section. Tap on it and select UDP Request as your preferred tunnel mode. Next, tap Configure UDP Request Settings. You'll now see several fields where the server information must be entered. Carefully copy the server details that you created on the UDP Custom website and paste them into the corresponding fields exactly as shown. Make sure every value is entered correctly to avoid connection issues. Once you've finished entering all the required information, return to the main screen of the application and tap the Start button. The application will now establish the VPN connection using your premium UDP request server. If everything has been configured correctly, your VPN should connect successfully, giving you a more stable and reliable UDP connection compared to many free public servers. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully created your own premium UDP request server and configured it in SOCKS IP Tunnel VPN. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more VPN tutorials, networking tips, and technology guides. If you have any questions or run into any problems, leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.